Hello guys, this is BinaryAuctions.com. It is Sunday, as you can see, the 5th of October. We are looking at the possibility that this Australian dollar US dollar pair to form either a contracting triangle or an expanding one, but the triangle to still break to the upside and not to the downside. I would first like to mention here the importance of this break lower here, this break lower into the what was 8640 area here. Why? Because if you go on the bigger time frames and just go with me a bit on the daily chart, you'll see that this dip that we had on Friday, late in the Friday afternoon in the North American session, was actually taking the previous lows here from January 2014, so establishing a new low for 2014 for the Australian dollar US dollar. Well, that being said, coming back to the 1 hour chart, you can put this move into context and you can look at it as you want, but this move has one characteristic that is extremely important. It is simply channeling too well. It is a move that has all correction here of a lower degree. The internal corrections are almost the same, of the same degree. That means that regardless how you look at it, it goes with a corrected fashion, and it looks to end with a possible contracting or expanding triangle. What would be the possibility for this to be a contracting or an expanding triangle? Well, first of all, it might be that we have already an expanding triangle that is finished, in the sense that if you just connect these 2 points here, this one from here and this one from here, and project it to the right side, we already have, let me make it like this, we have the rejection into the dip on Friday. So this might be very well starting from here to be A, B, C, D, E, and all the rules of an expanding triangle should be respected here, including the fact that the E wave is the most time consuming, and it is the longest wave of the whole pattern. So if that is the case, then this is nothing but a double or a triple combination that ends with an expanding triangle. More details about expanding triangles you can find in our Binary Options Academy. If you scroll through the project that we have there, you have more details about how to interpret and analyze an expanding triangle. However, it might very well still be a contracting one, and the reason for that goes with, from this moment of time now, as the move is still channeling up to this moment of time, so this to have wave A, then the B wave, the C wave, to have a D, an E, and then move higher. So in a contracting triangle fashion, we should have A, B, C like this, the D wave like this, and then of course the E wave, and then to move higher. You might say, alright, but this is lower. I agree, but if you take this one, just a moment, you see, market is forming here a small contracting triangle. Now we don't know how the markets are going to open on Monday, but taking into account the fact that this triangle, it might as well broke a bit higher, then this would be contracting and not expanding. So this would be from here to here like this. As you can see, it is rising. Let's make it of a different color. Let's make it blue. And then this would be the A and C, and this would be the all-important B to D trend line. So the market to go something like this, like this, like this, and then still to fly higher. In both cases, I would not want to chase the Australian dollar, US dollar lower into a week in which the Reserve Bank of Australia is coming, first of all, and second of all, into a week that follows washing away 2014 lows. We are in October anyways. So let's write here on the screen that we only want to buy call options at the moment of time, and it remains to be seen if the market is going to confirm our scenario here. Let's write here that looking to buy call options with end of week expiration date. Now, of course, the call options would be at the opening on Monday. Is it a risky trade? Yes, it is, because the central bank is coming, the interest rate is going to be set, the press conference, the detailed statement, and so on. Well, no pain, no gain. We would like to see Aussie higher. Have a great day. Bye-bye.